Darling takes bio-waste products that would normally end up in dumps and recycles into different biodiversity. So basically we take stuff that would normally go into a landfill and turn it into bio products. Well, we've recently turned on CloudGuard and we've been looking at security zones in OCI. So we're taking this opportunity to look at how we're doing as we deploy the EBS production instance into this tighter security zone. What I really like about it is it's a GUI interface, it's graphical. At the end of every deployment, we're logging into the console and having both cybersecurity and security ops and operations look at it and get a quick visual of how we're doing. It's not a third-party tool you have to figure out how to integrate into OCI. It's integrated into OCI, therefore it's readily available to both cybersecurity, operations, and management. I would say just go ahead and turn it on and point it to an existing environment you already have and see what it finds. As we deploy things, we always are very tight on security, but as it goes through longer term, it gives us a common checkpoint to check back and see how we're doing. So it's not just a one-time report, it's a continuous evaluation. But I think it's really a good value considering it's already included.